The 2026 Chevrolet Classic brings a refreshed identity to a familiar name, focusing on practicality, comfort, and modern technology for everyday drivers. Designed as a value-focused sedan, it blends clean styling with functional features that suit city commuting and long highway trips alike. The exterior looks more refined with smoother body lines, a wider front grille, LED daytime running lights, and improved aerodynamics that help with fuel efficiency. Chevrolet has kept the design simple yet contemporary, making the Classic appealing to families, first-time buyers, and ride-sharing users who want reliability without unnecessary complexity. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet Classic offers a surprisingly spacious and well-organized interior for its class. The dashboard layout is clean with easy-to-reach controls and a modern infotainment system placed at the center. A touchscreen display supports smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing navigation, music, and calls to be managed effortlessly. Seats are designed for comfort with improved cushioning and better back support, while the rear seat provides ample legroom for passengers. Storage spaces have been thoughtfully added, including cup holders, door pockets, and a practical trunk for daily needs. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Classic is expected to feature an efficient petrol engine tuned for smooth performance and low running costs. The engine delivers balanced power suitable for urban traffic while maintaining good highway stability. A refined automatic transmission option ensures seamless gear shifts, contributing to a relaxed driving experience. Fuel efficiency remains a key strength, making the Classic an economical choice for those who want to save on fuel without sacrificing performance. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections and providing a stable ride on different surfaces. Safety is an important focus in the 2026 Chevrolet Classic, with a range of standard and available features designed to protect occupants. Multiple airbags, anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, and traction control come as standard. Advanced driver assistance features such as rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking may be offered on higher trims, enhancing confidence during daily driving. The solid body structure adds to overall safety, giving peace of mind to drivers and families. In terms of features, the 2026 Chevrolet Classic includes automatic climate control, power windows, keyless entry, steering mounted controls, and a digital instrument cluster depending on the variant. Sound insulation has been improved to reduce road and engine noise, creating a quieter cabin. Maintenance costs are expected to remain affordable, supported by Chevrolet's wide service network and reputation for durability. Chevrolet has also focused on improving build quality with better materials, tighter panel gaps, and enhanced durability testing, ensuring the Classic can handle varied road conditions.